to Webster Bank Arena. Today, the American Hockey League presents the St. John's Ice Caps and your Bridgeport Sound Tigers.
He just wants to be heard. There's a beat in the mic. Feels so unlike everybody else alone. In spite of the fact that some people still think that they don't know. He knows the code. It's not about the salary. It's all about reality. Making some noise. Making a story. Making sure this click stays up. That means when he puts it.
Here's today's starting lineup for your Bridgeport Sound Tigers. At forward, number 16, Chris Bruton. Number 44, Brett Gallant. At number 54, Chris Langkow. On defense, number 4, Mike Cornell. And number 21, Dallas Jackson. In goal, number 30, Parker Milner. Head coach of Bridgeport is Scott Kellerman. We are the AHL affiliate of the New York Islanders.
Parker Milner? What? Oh my God, yeah.
Fans, we ask you please rise, remove your hats as